Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. And if you're new here, glad to have you. On this channel, we explore many productivity skills and tools you can use to enhance your work and life. So today, we're going to explore Agile project management, a skill that has revolutionized the way projects are managed. So let's dive in. So, what exactly is Agile project management? In a nutshell, it is a flexible, iterative approach to managing projects. Unlike traditional methods, which follow a linear path, it allows teams to work in small increments and make adjustments along the way based on feedback. This adaptability leads to more efficient and effective project delivery. It is guided by a set of core principles. 1. Customer collaboration, engaging with customers frequently to gather feedback and make improvements. 2. Embracing change, welcoming changes at any stage of the project to better meet customer needs. 3. Incremental delivery, delivering small, workable segments of the product frequently, rather than waiting until the end. And 4. Self-organizing teams, empowering teams to take ownership and make decisions to drive the project forward. Now let's cover the several methodologies under the Agile umbrella, each with its unique approach. Number 1, Scrum, involves breaking the project into fixed-length iterations called sprints, with regular reviews and retrospectives. Number 2, Kanban, focuses on visualizing work with a board and limiting work in progress to improve flow and efficiency. And lastly, 3, Lean, aims to maximize value by minimizing waste and optimizing processes. So, why should you consider Agile project management for your projects? Here are some key benefits. Increased flexibility. The iterative nature allows teams to adapt quickly to changes. Next, improved collaboration. Regular communication and feedback cycles enhance teamwork. Furthermore, faster delivery. By breaking work into smaller increments, Agile teams can deliver value to customers more quickly. Lastly, higher quality. Continuous testing and feedback lead to better quality products. Now let's go over a few tips you can use with Agile project management. Start small. Begin with a single team or project to pilot the practices. Invest in training. Ensure your team understands the principles and methodologies. Embrace a growth mindset. Be open to learning, adapting, and improving continuously. And there you have it, guys. Agile project management in essence. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know in the comments how you use Agile project management in your projects. We've included a helpful link in the description that can boost your project efficiency. So definitely check it out if you need a productivity boost. Also, please remember to subscribe for more tips on mastering project management. Until next time, keep it agile and achieve great results.